make this DIY face shield. This plastic sheet, cut the edges off. Elastic band, 33 cm accurately. Band is like this. You attach and staple it here. Okay. Make sure you get everything. Make sure you get the band and the plastic as well. That's how you do it. 5 staples here on the other side. Curl it inside, bend it inside. Another 5 staples. This is what happens. 5 staples on each end. Make sure you get the plastic and the band together on top of each other. Staple it together. Make sure it's 5 staples on each end. Alright? Now, your foam is 27 cm. So how do you attach this? The foam. This is a faster way than using Yoo-hoo glue, so ignore the glue. We need to create more of this as fast as possible. So pinch in the middle. Make sure this part is lower and this part is higher, so sweat cannot fall through. And make sure that the smooth part is on the inside and the jagged or the ends are on the outside. You do the same over here as well, 2 sides. Smooth one on the inside, edges on the outside. And you do it here.
Are you going to get anyone to help in the next 1 2 days?
Done.
Probably our team.